guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to make a project with my velvet ribbon that I ordered from BB Craft. I got 2 yards of 30 different colors. So this is what I'm working with. I love the feel of this. It has got the best texture. It doesn't have a I don't know, sometimes when you feel velvet, you kind of get like the chilly willies down your back, and it doesn't have that feel. It's really soft. So I'm going to do a couple different things today. The first one is inspired by these bows, which are completely vintage, and I'm going to link a picture up on the screen here to show you what they look like. They are from like the 60s, maybe early 70s, but they are these little velvet ribbons that are on paper clips. I took them off because I'm actually going to use them in my my October daily. But I thought it would be cool to make up like a little card of my own of them. So I went to Dollar Tree and just bought this 60-piece bobby pin pack. And then I spent last night just tying a bunch of bows. So I thought it would be cool to do something like this and then do like an ombre effect. So I was going to do like this, and then get into, we'll see how many I can fit on here. Oh, that's the same. Here's the other gray. And then the black. I don't think I can fit them all on. So let's lose this one. Oh, that's more Halloween-y. Let's do these like that. And then I was going to like decorate the card like it would be ready to go in Happy Mail. So the thing that I love about tying these bows is that the velvet kind of sticks to itself. So I only did one loop. You don't have to double knot it. I don't have any glue on there. It is just completely staying on its own. So that's cool. I don't know if I wanted something like this just to dress it up, or if I just want these on there. I think that just kind of looks cool like that. But it does need a sticker or something, or a tag. But all right, let's do this first. All right, so I think that I should be able to just, I'm hoping, like slide the bobby pin through. And what I'm gonna do is there's the flat end, and then there's this bumpy end. I'm gonna put the bumpy end through the ribbon and leave the flat end on the bottom, and then that is what is going to, this flat part will be against your project, so it won't make any dents. Yeah, that worked really good. So you just slide it in there. And this is just a 4x6 card that I cut out of the collection that I'm using right now. I think this is the Hey Pumpkin. So I can tell this is really cute already. So I was gonna do like the bows to match the collection for Hey Pumpkin, and I could, but I don't, the kit didn't come with orange. So I was kind of sad about that. Otherwise I would definitely do it. I think it would look super cute. Oh my goodness. You have to make sure they're all facing the same direction. There's 2. And these are sliding right in. I'm not going to use any glue. And the bow is covering up the bobby pin. That's what it looks like so far. There's the bobby pins. Like that, and then I think I can put it in there. So let's give that a try. Yeah, I love these. And I was just at Joann's Friday night, and they have their Halloween paper packs on sale from Park Lane, and they had like the Mystic one, and I was gonna get it, and then I didn't. And I don't have any paper like that, which is why I kind of wanted to pick it up. And it was all blacks and grays and silvers and purples, and it was really cool. Like I said, I don't have any collections like that. It was 70% off. I might go get it if it's there next time I go in. I might grab it, but I something different to craft with. Okay, so that looks really cool like that. So now you could go in and trim up the bows a little bit so they're all a little bit more even. And I'm just kind of cutting at an angle there. It's not that huge of a deal. And then I thought we could just maybe put something here. So let me get these stickers out. Like this one would be cute, just like trick or treat. That's kind of cute because then that's kind of saying it's a little treat for you. Just do that. I think I'll just leave it like that. I think this would be neat. I think you can like put it in an acetate bag, and I think it would be really cute. So I love how that turned out. So that was my first thing I was going to do. The second thing is with the velvet ribbon. I just wanted to show you one other thing before I do that. I have these little tags that are from Walmart. And I just want to show you how the velvet bow just elevates that. So I took off the cheap satin bow. I took off the twine and I just put this like black satin through it. Doesn't that just like, I don't know, it just feels like it elevates the tag. So I loved that. I also did the same thing. I got these hair clips from Walgreens, and I'm actually going to use them as paper clips in my October daily. But I took some ribbon and I cut it in half and I glued it around to make it look like a sleeve, and then I added that velvet bow. Doesn't that look really cool? So you could do something like that, you know, on here too and give it away. But yeah, I just thought that was really cute looking. Then I even pulled out like this skeleton and this ghost, and you could do this with any bow, but I just thought it was super cute. Like you could add the bow just to you know, add a little something to those pieces. So I don't know, I thought that was cute. Okay, so the second thing I'm gonna do is with some buttons here. And I'm gonna try and do this no-sew just for the ease of the video, but you definitely could sew this on. I just put together this quick little Halloween notebook. It was a black notebook that was from Dollar Tree. I just covered it with some paper from the Hey Pumpkin collection like that. Added a couple stickers on there, nothing big, but I'm gonna make a band to go around it. So again, I think I'm gonna pull out the black velvet. Looks like this. And then I'm going to I pulled out some different elastics that I have here. So I have silver, or I have like this like iridescent. I think I'm going to use this one. So these I got on clearance at different times at Michael's. It kind of looks navy blue. I can't really tell. I guess it looks black against the black. That's all that matters. Okay, so you can use this, or you could use just like a hair elastic as well. So I'm just going to cut a tiny piece off of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie this. That. You can make it as big or as small as you want. I'm going to do a double knot though, just to make sure it stays. And I'm going to trim it. Okay, so then on here, on my velvet, so this is the satin side, this is the velvet side, I'm going to put the knot against the satin side, and I'm going to fold this over itself like that, and I'm just going to hit this with a little bit of hot glue in the back. We'll push that together for a second. All right, and now I'm going to measure around my book. Actually, I'm going to come up from the bottom. So it's going to be like this. So I think I'm going to cut about here. And I'm going to do, no, I was going to do a big pumpkin like this. or I was going to stack, like you could stack your buttons like that. Those don't really match, but it's very Halloween-like, and I like that. Otherwise, I have this butterfly, which is the one that I really wanted to use. So let's go ahead and use this. So this does have a little button type hole on it, but I don't want that, so I'm gonna cut it off. Let's see if it cuts off okay. I'd rather have it flat because I'm gonna glue it. Okay, it's flat-ish, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna glue that on here. And then this is going to go around it like this and keep it together. Now I feel like this is a little bit too big. Let me see if I can, since I have plenty of room, I'm gonna just start over on this because I think this elastic piece is too big. Okay, so we have it looking like this. Now, let's find out where we want to put the butterfly. So you do want it to stretch. To keep it closed tightly. So I think my butterfly is going to have to be glued here. Try one more time. Yep, I think that's gonna work. So I'm just gonna put a dot there. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut the velvet ribbon right underneath the butterfly so you can't see the end. So it looks like that. I do feel like it's secured on there really well. So, you've got your butterfly, got your elastic end. Oh no, it's too small. And it looks like that. Okay, so it is a little tight. I probably should make my elastic just a little bit bigger, but that is basically what it's gonna look like. I mean, it's not too bad. You do have to stretch it a little bit to make it go on there, but if my book thickens at all, or if I put like bulky things in it, it is going to want to probably break. So let me try another one. So this one is much better in my opinion. I think that it just, it's gonna give you a little bit room. If you add some chunk to your notebook, it's not as tight, so I can save the other one for, you know, a smaller notebook. But that is how it looks. I think that's really cute. So you could do this like with Christmas. You could do this as a bookmark for a regular book. You know, while you're reading, you can put this on the inside of it. You know, especially if you used a flatter piece, then it wouldn't damage your book when you close it. I think that's super cute. Let me know what you guys think. I will list the listing on bbcrafts.com for the velvet ribbon if you're interested in purchasing it. Like I said, it did come in 30 different colors, and there are 2 yards of each on the roll. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.